Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial. Today we'll be discussing about the tuple. Okay, we've talked extensively about the list and today is the tuples time. So the tuple is similar to the list in that it is a collection of items just like the list. So I'm going to be giving a few of the examples so you understand the difference between the tuple and the list. And one of the main differences is that the tuple cannot be modified, while the list can be modified. That means you can't change whatsoever you have put in inside the tuple. Okay, so I'm going to clean this off so you understand. Okay, so I'm going to use Tuple as the name of our tuple. Okay, so another thing I also need to teach you is the phrases that you can find tuple collections in. Okay, so whenever you see something like this, you will know that the data type is the tuple. Okay, so this is what is used to denote the tuple, the normal bracket that you know. Okay, so this is an example of a tuple. Now, like I told you, if you want to, like we did during the list, let's try one of those methods and see if it will work. Let's try to append. Okay, so tpl dot append. Okay, so we print tpl. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see here that we have attribute error, attribute method or characteristics error here. Tuple object has no attribute append. Okay, so you can see that there are so many things that we have done using the list that we can't really do here. So I'm going to go into just two aspects of this multi-purpose functions or functions in Python that you can do with any of the data collection data types, like the list function, like the list, dictionary, tuples, and sets. Okay, so I'm going to use the copy. Let me use the copy. I said copy, sorry, to count the number of times any character must have appeared. Okay, let me repeat some of this. Let's say 1. Let's say 3. It's 5. So I'm going to put in 5 here. Okay, I'm going to put in 5 here like I did before. I'm going to print directly. Okay, so when you run that, you're going to have 2. Okay, so it means you can only count, you can only check the number of times or how many letters or how many characters that are inside this tuple using the len function we're going to do now. Okay, so you can define a variable a equal to len in bracket tpl. Okay, so we can print our a out. So when you run that, so you can see here 7 appeared. So it simply means that the characters here are 7 in number. So what this simply means is that you cannot modify the tuple. And many times what programmers do is that if they have a long range of programs to write and they don't want any mistake, they don't want to alter them or the program to alter them by mistake, they will include the list or the collection of items inside the tuple. They will make the list of the collection items to be a tuple rather than a list, so it will not be altered, it will not be changed by mistake. Okay, so that is that about the tuple. Okay, see you in our next class, the dictionary.